Hey physics, so we are starting a unit about macro forces right now. So what you're going to do Monday and Tuesday is we're going to finish up the last unit, which actually ties in very closely to this next one. This test you're going to have on interpreting graphs and making claims is going to be really useful as we start talking about things like car collisions, which are physical forces at the macro scale. So we're going to start off by doing what you guys know, want to know, and have learned or would like to learn about car collisions. And then we're going to do some graphs, how to graph distance and time reaction, or not reactions, but distance and time relationships. Then next week we're going to get into some more graphing position versus time, describing motion in graphs. We're going to get into calculating speed and velocity, and then we're going to be taking a test on that. I mean, this is like 4 weeks of stuff here, so, don't feel rushed about it. But just wanted to give you guys a heads up about this unit that we're coming into right now. I think you're going to like it, and I think it's going to give you a lot more insight into forces and how things move and what all goes into the way that things move. So, good stuff. I'll see you guys soon.